Hey everyone, it's Brenda with XPPen. Today, I'm gonna take you through my process of drawing and coloring a Lofi Girl. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I can't even draw a stick figure.
I can't. I just can't.
Don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Maybe by the end of this video, you'll be so good at drawing Lofi girls that people will be asking you for autograph. Or maybe just your mom will ask you to draw her a picture for her fridge. Set it. Alright, let's set it up. Before we start drawing, you wanna get a character. Set up some nice light, take off your shoes, make a cup of tea. Alright, let's get started with the light art. I'll be using a reference image to guide me, but feel free to use your own or even draw from your imagination. Now, we start with a rough sketch. It's okay if the lines are messy at first. We just need to get a general outline and position of the subject. The trick to line art is to keep it light and loose. Think of it like a draft. You don't want to commit to anything too heavy yet. Later, we'll make the line with smoother strokes, and then refine as you go. And remember, mistakes are part of the process. As Bob Ross used to say, we don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents. I usually like to start by placing the main subject first, and then work around it. In this case, the main subject is the Lofi Girl. So we'll start by sketching out her outline. Take a look at the angle of her head. It doesn't look quite right. To fix this, we can use the lasso tool to select that head. Then press Ctrl T to transform it and adjust it. This way, we can freely adjust the angle of the selected part. Next, we'll draw the item on the desk, such as books, a cat, and so on. Again, we can use the lasso tool to adjust their size as needed. Once we have this main element down, we can move on to drawing the background, trees, windows, and the outside scenery. Now for the fun part, coloring. For a Lofi Girl, we want to stick to soft, muted colors. First, we lay down a base color and then create a new layer to add shadows. Shadows. It's important to create a new layer when coloring different parts, so that it's easy to make changes or swap out the base color later on. And don't forget, the colors you choose can really set the mood for your artwork. Don't go heavy on the neon colors. Otherwise, she'll look more like a rave queen than a Lofi Girl. Unless that's what you're going for, in which case, party on! Now that we have the base color for the character, we'll move on adding shadows. Start by creating a new layer on the top of the layer you want to add color to. Right-click on the new layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Then, select a darker color to add shadows to the design area. You'll notice that when you apply the shadow on the mask, it won't go outside the color area. This is usually how I apply shadows. Follow the same process to add shadows to other objects such as chair, cat, boot, beverage, and other items. For the tree, I start by laying down a base color of dark paint. Then, use brush number 112 in Photoshop to add layers and depths. And hey, if you mess up, just pretend it was intentional and call it a stylistic choice. Works every time. Next, we'll work on the background of the window. First, fill a large area with different colors. Then, use the smudge tools to blend the color together to create a hazy night scene. Finally, let's add some lighting effect to the lamp. Boom boom boom, magic! Alright, let's recap what we've learned today. We started with the line art, using a reference image as a guide. Remember to keep it light and loose. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Then, we move on to coloring, using soft, muted pastel colors and playing around with different brushes to create texture. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to create a beautiful Lofi Girl drawing of your own.